Welcome Wednesday presents Tricky Rita. Hey Rita, how are you doing today? Rita is about 2 years old. She is daughter of Fern, sister of Fernando, and sister of the late Drac. He got hit by a car about a year and a half ago. Rita is very smart, but she gets in trouble with the other cats and doesn't quite know how to defend herself, so then she has a fit and runs off. She kind of reminds me of Peachy, another cat that we introduced you guys to, and kind of shy and an acrobat. You'll see how she's laying. It's kind of funny. I don't see her catch a lot of birds, but she does give it a try. Nice to meet you, Rita. Waiting for a bird. Hopefully they'll never come over. Rita. Tricky Rita is the epitome of the hang in there kitty poster. I'll try and show you how she's resting. Kind of funny. First I thought she was hanging tough, but then she would be a new kid on the block. If any of you know who they are anymore. She's a good girl. She does cause some troubles. That's why she's Tricky Rita. But we still like her.